everybody. This is a quick update on the TextExpander system info that I could not get to work via TextExpander on the last video. So this is a short video showing you what I missed in the last video that is now working. So we'll start TextExpander and look at the code. Okay, here it is. What I was missing in the script originally was every bash script should start with a shebang, is what they call it, which is this line of code right here. The ampersand, exclamation point, slash, and bin slash bash. It's called the shebang. And that's what enables TextExpander to execute this bash script. And this is what you'll get. So, let's do system info. Whoops. And there it is. So again, I get the model name, iMac, model identifier 10.1, processor name, Core 2 Duo, number of processors, total number of cores, the memory, which is 16 gigs, boot ROM version, SMC version, chipset model, VRAM, adapter firmware, system version, macOS 10.13.6, which is the latest version that this Mac can go to without, Hackintosing it. And then you have the kernel version, system protection enabled, and that's referred to as SIP. And of course, the last time I booted the machine, which was 29 days ago, which is pretty awesome for a machine this old. Anyway, so as you know, with any keyboard or keyboard maestro macro, I can disable that other macro and create. Oops, not. I need. Okay. I can say. Oh, let's see. Create a new macro. Call it system info. And add the TextExpander action. So I'll do TextExpander, and here's a snippet. And we'll do the TextExpander snippet so by abbreviation instead of by label. And then I'll put the abbreviation, which is now the only problem with this is it chooses to put this stuff in, and I always make the mistake of putting it in this way when I need to type in the info and then so type in the name and then add the modifier. In this case it's the $. Now I have to spend the time trying to delete all this information. but I'm almost there. Okay, so we're going to put sysinfo first, and then we'll add the $, and I can give it a hotkey trigger, for example. Let's say caps lock Y. Alright, now I'm going to test it out with drafts. Here we go, here's the info originally. I'm going to do caps lock Y. That's the sound, and here it is typed in it again. Let's show it one more time, because the way I did it might not have been very clear. So I select this, delete it, and do caps lock Y. And there it is. That's without using the Keyboard Maestro macro, which is this. And it's the same thing. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. Like it, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you like this video, and let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. Later guys, in the next video. Peace.